Is your iPhone constantly showing storage almost full? Yes, that storage almost full alerts on iPhone can get really annoying. And here is how you can fix it. First of all you have to do is simply open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage. You will see a breakdown of which app photos or files are eating the most space. Now all you have to do is simply clean up this space. Now you know what takes most amount of your space on your iPhone. So if it is apps or if it is photos, then you can simply go there and delete it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.